Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by securing the car and gathering tools. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Once parked, chalk the opposite wheel and set the parking brake so the car won't roll. Next, fit the wheel lock key if needed, then use the lug wrench to break each lug nut about 1/2 turn. Don't remove them yet. You do this to keep the wheel stabilized while raising the car. Make sure the jack sits at the manufacturer lift point before you pump it up. Once the car is stable on the jack stands, finish removing the lug nuts and take the wheel off. Inspect the hub for corrosion or debris. You want a clean mating surface so the wheel sits flush. Wire brush any heavy rust and wipe with a rag. Align the replacement wheel with the hub, then hand thread all lug nuts to avoid cross-threading. When all nuts are hand-tight, lower the vehicle until the wheel just touches the ground to keep it from spinning for final tightening. Lower the car fully and use a torque wrench to tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the specified value. This ensures even clamping force and prevents warping. Once done, drive 10-20 miles and recheck torque. Thermal cycling and settling can change tightness. If you feel vibration or hear clunks, stop and recheck torque, verify the wheel is seated correctly, and inspect studs and hub for damage. If problems persist, replace damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.